To clone apps in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find the apps section. Click on it and then navigate to the app management, to the app cloner. And here there might be a pop-up where you will need to agree to the terms and services, and after that we'll be able to clone apps. By default you should see a Facebook and Instagram right here, and you can already clone those two apps, but you can find more apps if you select other apps right here. Then you should find most of the apps that you have on your phone, and you can select any of them and then clone them. After cloning your app, you can go back to your home screen, and then if you look carefully, you should be able to find one of the apps that is original, and then we can look for the clone with this little icon in the bottom right corner. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.